Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google AdSense for YouTube monetization. Complete. To authenticate with Google AdSense for YouTube monetization, start by ensuring your YouTube channel meets the eligibility requirements. Log into your YouTube account and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Monetization. If you meet the requirements, you'll see the option to apply for monetization. Click on Start to begin the application process. Follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the AdSense section. If you already have an AdSense account, select Yes. If not, choose No and follow the prompts to create a new account. Fill in the required information including your email address and website. After completing the form, submit your application. You'll receive a confirmation email from Google AdSense. Next, wait for a verification code to arrive at your email. Once you receive the code, log back into your AdSense account. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Follow any additional instructions to finalize your account setup. After your AdSense account is linked, return to YouTube Studio. Monitor the status of your monetization application in the Monetization tab. Once your application is reviewed and approved, you will receive a notification. Congratulations, you are now set up to monetize your YouTube videos with Google AdSense. Stay informed about any additional requirements or policies to maximize your revenue potential. Continue creating quality content to engage your audience and grow your channel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.